Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open an HTML file in Google Chrome. First, make sure your HTML file is saved correctly. Open your file in a text editor such as Notepad, then click File and select Save As. Change Save As type to All Files, and make sure the file name ends with .html instead of .txt. Then click Save. Next, locate the HTML file on your computer. If Chrome is your default browser, simply double-click the file and it will open automatically. If it doesn't open in Chrome, right-click the file and select Open With. Then choose Google Chrome from the list. If you don't see Chrome, click Choose Another App and select it manually. You can also enable Always Use this app if you want all HTML files to open in Chrome by default. Once selected, the HTML file will open in Google Chrome, allowing you to view your web page and test your code. And that's it for today's video. If this helps you out, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.